Welcome to the MEDUSA4 tutorial Dimensioning a Drawing. Use the left mouse button, hold and drag to select both views created earlier. To move the geometry, use the Move Selected tool from the Home ribbon. With the left mouse button, select a reference point. The geometry should hang on your cursor. Place it at a new location with the left mouse button. Exit the tool with the Escape button or the right mouse button option Exit tool. Before creating dimensions, it's better to zoom in on the geometry. Use the Window and Area tool from the In-Graphics menu and the left mouse button hold and drag to create the view area. Switch to the ribbon menu Annotation. In the Dimension menu group, select the small arrow on the Chain Dimension tool to reveal the menu pull-down. Choose the option Datum Dimension. Place the first dimension location with the left mouse button on the C profile, the second point also with the left mouse button, and finally the dimension text location with the left mouse button. The dimension tool is still active. Place a new dimension in the second view using the left mouse button. Create the vertical dimension on the right. The system is able to detect dimension orientation automatically when creating the text. To create more dimensions in one go, use the left mouse button for the first location and then use the middle mouse button for the second and third probe locations. To finish, place the text with the left mouse button. We repeat this process for the hole on the left. Use the right mouse button to force the dimension option orientation. For example, horizontal. And place the text below at the same height as the other dimension by using the left mouse button to probe on the existing dimension lines. To exit the Dimension tool, use the right mouse button option Exit tool. Select the Chain Dimension tool. Place the first dimension point with the left mouse button. And then using the middle mouse button for the second and third point. We can see that the text for the first dimension is located outside the leader line. This can be changed via the dashboard properties. The Text Position pull-down menu contains the option to force the text position inside or outside the lines. Place the dimension with the left mouse button. Now dimension the chamfer. Place the dimension with two probes with the left mouse button. And with the right mouse button, use the option Properties to see the full property dialog for this dimension. In the dialog field Suffix, open the pull down and select the text 45 degrees. Confirm the changes with the OK or Apply button. In the drawing, the dimension text has now changed on the cursor. In the dashboard, change the text position to automatic and place the dimension with the left mouse button. Exit the tool with the right mouse button option Exit tool. Select the Diameter Dimension tool from the Annotation ribbon menu. Probe once using the left mouse button on the circle circumference and position the text with the second left mouse button probe. To dimension the radius, unfold the Diameter Dimension tool by probing on the small arrow. Select the Radius Dimension tool and click on the Fillet or Arc surface using the left mouse button. place the text with the second left mouse button probe. Exit the tool and refresh the graphics area. And finally, draw the full sheet area. From the dashboard area, click on the Zoom Sheet Header tool. Text can be edited from the Dashboard Dialog Sheet Header Editor, or by clicking on each text using the left mouse button. The text is displayed in the dashboard area and can be edited. Here we change the text title to Tutorial and the drawing name to Tutorial 1. This completes the tutorial Dimensioning a Drawing.